What is up, darlings, and welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. So we're going to be working on the L today, which is always exciting and always a good day. Progress. Been working on this for a couple days now, trying to get it fitting just perfect. The rear is fitting a lot better. This actually can get... I need to get that clamped down because that's actually how it's supposed to fit. It's just a little bent. This is all gonna get cut off the top, so don't look at that. Kind of figured out what I'm gonna do here. There is this like hole right here that I'm gonna need to patch because of that antenna part. And then the door jamb. Oh wait, let's wait on the door jamb. Let's save the worst for last. This is all fitting together perfect. Clamped together, it's gonna be even better. Welded together, you know. And then this side was my treble area, but we got it all notched in and fitting over that now. So all we're really missing is the rocker. We're gonna replace the rocker, and yeah, dude. Gotta trim off the top, just up here. And then the door jamb. I'll be honest, mistakes were made in the door jamb, okay? But it was my first time ever doing anything like this, you know? And I had no idea what I was cutting, but I was like, you cannot keep stalling. So I just said, what the heck, and I cut it. Do I regret that? A little bit. Because after I cut it, I found out that I probably should not have cut it where I cut it, but I did. So now we have to fix that problem. But a beautiful freaking day today. I am loving it. Okay, back to the door jamb. Alright, so I seriously need to get some tools or something because I needed to bend this lip on the full quarter. I need to bend this little lip out to cover up this, okay? So with enough leverage, when I push on this, I can pretty much close up the gap, you know? And I feel like if this was lying over it, like it is right here, if I could get it to lie over it the whole way down, then it'll fit perfect, you know, because this goes over and it'll just work. But as you can tell, it was hard enough for me to bend this part out just a little bit, that I'm just kind of stuck on that. But I mean, I feel like I should start welding stuff in, and then maybe everything will just fall into place where we need it to go, you know. But it's not looking too shabby. I'm ready to get rocking. Enough talking. Let's get walking, get welding. Heck yeah. So this footage is from the day previous to me making my intro video. This is me really just trying to manipulate and get this quarter to fit in as good as I possibly can. It's pretty much just a game of test and check, and do and undo, over and over until you get it fitting perfect. Okay, so I got the L up on 2 jack stands, like completely level though, okay? That's the thing, is I was gonna put these little spare Nova wheels that I have on it, but these are the L's lug nuts with my dad's like fatty tires, and of course they're just not gonna work really. So I feel like with it jacked up level at least and not all twisted, like I should be able to retest fit and it'd be good. You gotta have fun with it. This stuff can get so repetitive. Gosh dang, am I so appreciative for these freaking Cleco clips. Like, such a time saver, such a lifesaver, truly. I'm just making some marks so that I know where this needs to be welded and what holes I need to punch out or drill out, etc. I need to make some welds on the outer edges, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my cool air punch tool to make some holes for my welds, and then we'll use a drill for the center, since the air punch tool can't really get to the center. No, it's not respirator kind of dangerous. Let's go, bro.
Okay.
Alright, so Kaidan just got out of school. He's gonna help out a little bit right now. Woohoo!
Yeah.
I got one of my boys in the shop. This is great. So we are just gonna drill some holes real quick in the inner wheelhouse so that I can get it welded on. I think he can help me with this.
Yeah.
Seems like a Kaidan project. We're gonna get it done. I am dying laughing right now going back and editing this. I am so sorry, Kaidan Jace, for dusting you out like that. Oh my goodness, the board was heavy and I just dropped it. Poor kid, I feel so bad. What a trooper, he just dusted himself off and kept going. That's my boy. Always gotta have your eye protection, he knows. It definitely would have helped if the drill bit was sharper, but this is definitely a dull drill bit, but we may do with what we have. Thank you so much, Kaidan, for all your hard work and help. Just know, no matter how big or small the task is, I always appreciate it. I know. I should have a mask on anytime I paint. But you guys, I promise I held my breath the entire time. This was like 2 sprays and I was out of there. We're good, I promise. I just sprayed 1 coat of some weld-through primer on there. I just want to make sure we have good contact and it's a good weld, while also still preventing as much rust as possible in this wheel well area. Is there a lot of warping from the welding and from me pounding it with a freaking hammer and grinding on it? Absolutely. Does anybody care? Probably not. Am I going to be the only one who sees it? Most likely. Maybe my kiddos, but hey, that's about it. I think I did great. So it has been way too long since we fired up the El Camino. I've had it charging this whole time. We're gonna fire it up and just see if she runs. It's been a long time running, or long time not running. Gosh, this car smells like it hasn't been started in forever. I'm about to lose my mind, but we gotta try. We gotta try and start it. Come on, Dad. I know I haven't started her in a long time. I'm sorry. Fudge. I'm just gonna kill the battery. Starting fluid. I think I need starting fluid. Okay, I got a little bit in there. Let's see if it works. Yes! Oh. Gosh, does that feel good? Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. God, does that feel good? Dad, we are good, man. Just gotta finish up this freaking quarter panel. We'll be ready to rock, dude. I am so ready to just rip this thing right now, but it's amazing to hear it fire up. Gosh, this has been great. Thanks, Dad, for giving me a hand and just like all the guidance, man. It feels so good. I miss the L. We definitely needed some of this El Camino scent. Oh my goodness gracious, it's amazing. I literally cannot get enough of this car. We are so freaking close, okay? We got the inner welded in today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna come weld in the outer, and then we're just welding in the full freaking quarter. That's pretty much all it takes, you guys. I'm so gosh dang excited. You guys are absolutely the best. Thank you so much for joining me on all of my adventures. We got the L inner wheelhouse finished up, and we got it fired up. Oh, it sounds amazing. I cannot wait to get this done and get it ripping. Sorry for my cracked screen, it's a little glary, but I broke my phone, so we get what we get. So I started my garage wall of fame. And if you join the membership, or if you donate to the channel, it could be money, it could be tools, it could be anything, you get put up on the garage wall of fame. I'll probably have to rearrange everything. I just didn't really have an open wall, but hopefully we can fill this whole gosh dang thing. Wouldn't that be cool? But I want to give a huge shout out to my members and to the people who support me. You guys are the absolute best. And don't forget, if you're looking for some cool merch, we got some new items available, including hoodies and hats. I'll put the link in the description. You guys gotta go check it out.